Welcome to Kent, the Garden of England, where history, nature, and adventure create a timeless escape. From breathtaking countryside to golden beaches, from medieval castles to vibrant market towns, Kent is a land of stories waiting to be discovered. Step into history at Canterbury Cathedral, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, or explore the Grand Dover Castle, the key to England. Wander through the charming streets of Rochester, where Charles Dickens found inspiration, or visit the romantic Leeds Castle, the loveliest castle in the world. Discover Hever Castle, the childhood home of Anne Boleyn, and explore the tunnels of Walmer Castle, once home to the Duke of Wellington. Kent's past is alive in every stone, every tower, every ancient path. For nature lovers, Kent is an open-air paradise. Walk along the iconic white cliffs of Dover, where the sea meets the sky in breathtaking beauty. Explore the rolling hills of the Kent Downs, a landscape rich with hidden trails and stunning views. Relax on the sandy beaches of Margate and Broadstairs, or discover the dramatic coastline of Botany Bay. From peaceful countryside to stunning seascapes, adventure is everywhere. Taste the best of Kent's food and drink. Sample award-winning English wines from local vineyards like Chapel Down, Gusbourne, and Bidenden, where tradition meets innovation. Indulge in Whitstable's world-famous oysters, caught fresh from the sea. Enjoy farm-fresh produce at traditional Kentish pubs, where locally sourced ingredients create unforgettable flavors. Whether it's fine dining, seaside cafes, or bustling farmers markets, Kent is a feast for the senses. Discover the charm of Kent's villages. Stroll through the historic streets of Tenterden, where timber-framed buildings take you back in time. Explore the picturesque cottages of Chilham, visit the medieval houses of Sandwich, or experience the magic of Smarden, a village frozen in time. Every village has a story, every lane a history waiting to be explored. As the sun sets, Kent's coastal towns come to life. Experience the creative energy of Margate, where art, music, and vintage charm create a unique seaside retreat. Stroll through Whitstable's bustling harbor, lined with colorful fishing boats and seafood restaurants. Enjoy the timeless elegance of Deal, a coastal town filled with Georgian architecture, historic streets, and award-winning restaurants. Whether you're seeking relaxation, adventure, or inspiration, Kent has something for everyone. From ancient castles to golden beaches, from lush vineyards to lively seaside towns, Kent is a destination like no other. Whether you come for the history, the landscapes, the food, or the culture, one thing is certain: you'll leave with unforgettable memories. Visit Kent. Discover the extraordinary.